In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Array Command in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to repeat the same object multiple times in a neat, consistent pattern, the Array Command is the fast, precise way to do it. It lets you create copies in a grid, along a path, or around a point, while keeping everything aligned and evenly spaced. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can use it with confidence. First, select the object you want to array. This could be anything from a block to a line, circle, or shape. Selecting first tells AutoCAD exactly what you plan to duplicate, so the command knows what to work with as soon as it starts. Next, type Array and press Enter. This launches the Array feature and opens up options for how you want those copies to be laid out. You'll see three main types you can choose from: rectangular, path, and polar. Each one is designed for a specific arrangement, and AutoCAD will preview the result so you can understand what you're getting before you finalize it. Choose rectangular if you want rows and columns. This is ideal for grids, panels, tiles, or anything that repeats in a straight, orderly matrix. You can control how many rows and how many columns you have, allowing you to expand or contract the pattern as needed. Think of it as building a table of copies, where you decide the overall count in each direction. It's efficient for layouts that need precise repetition across both horizontal and vertical directions. Pick Path when you want your objects to follow another object as a guide. After choosing this option, you'll select a second object, such as a line, polyline, spline, arc, or circle, and AutoCAD will use that as the route for your copies. This is especially helpful for features that need to curve or flow, like lights along a walkway or bolts along a curved edge, keeping everything evenly distributed and neatly aligned to the path. Finally, choose Polar to create copies arranged around a central point. You'll specify that point, and AutoCAD will place the objects in a circular pattern around it. This is perfect for radial layouts, like spokes, holes on a flange, or any design that repeats around a center. It's a quick way to achieve symmetry and balance without manual rotation or guessing angles. And there you go. That's all. With these three options, rectangular, path, and polar, you can create accurate, consistent arrays in seconds and keep your drawings clean, organized, and professional.